Hi guys, welcome to the very first lecture of stock market from scratch for beginners. And in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about what is an investment and why it is important for you. But first let me clear what actually investment is. So investment is simply the money you saved that you either earned from your job or from running a business and put that money into some financial instrument such as shares, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, or for that matter any other financial instrument. And that is typically what we call an investment. So that was a brief explanation of investment, but now let me tell you about why we need investment. Well, because of inflation, and I assume that you guys don't know about inflation, so let me first clear that also. Inflation is the rate at which prices of goods and services rises in an economy, or basically the cost of living increases. Cost of living is basically the cost of goods and services that you buy in order to live. So whenever the cost of products you consume rises, it's basically inflation in action. So now let me tell you about the impact of inflation. Inflation leads to reduction in the value of money, which means the value of $1 today is worth less than it was 1 or 2 years before. So for example, an inflation of 5% annually means $100 now would have a value of $95 next year. So the products you can buy today for $100, the next year you would have to earn $5 more to buy the same products as your money value has been reduced. Let me show you by example. So value of money now minus rise in cost of living, that means $100 is the now value of money minus 5% or $5, that equals to $95. And that is why we need investment. So in order to beat inflation, investment is really important, and it's not just about the inflation. Investment can also be made to create wealth, as Warren Buffett became the richest man in the world by investing. So finally, coming to where to invest. Well, it depends upon you as to which financial instrument you like to invest in. Whether to invest in shares and bonds or mutual funds, insurance schemes, bank deposits, etc. Shares gives you the highest return, but they are the most risky. Bank deposits are not that risky, but they offer the least return. So ultimately, investor is the one who has to decide which one to choose. And that is a short tutorial on investment.